Oh,
It's gonna be a little bit easier. Relax here. And your head just drop.
I'm trying to just let it dry.
There you go.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh my God.